Sandspur Island is an island located in Biscayne Bay, Miami. 15 acres of land, only accessible by boat, or in my case, a kayak. The island has a diverse range of plant and animal life, but the main attraction and feature on the island are the wild raccoons. Today, I embark on a journey to get a glimpse of these wild raccoons in their natural habitat and possibly learn more about these curious creatures. Come with me as we discover a new world on what has become known as Raccoon Island.
Well, what do we have here? This plastic shell looks suspicious. Let's get out of here. Should I take a shower now? Maybe later. Oops! Let's try it again. I wonder if that lizard from yesterday is still up here. Ooh, I think I see something. Yes, grapes! No, I don't like that. I want more grapes.
I want to take a moment to tell you more about these little creatures and my time on the island. I couldn't believe how friendly they all were. They would come up to you and touch you, no problem. Of course, they were mainly just looking to see if you brought them any food. A lot of people showed up to the island that day, all wanting to interact with them. Looks like Dash and Rascal are looking for something to eat in the water, as if we didn't just bring them enough food. Raccoons have hypersensitive touch receptors that help them detect edible items. This tactile sensitivity increases underwater. Although they were friendly with the humans, at some occasions I did catch them fighting with each other. Possibly competing for food, or it could just be about establishing dominance. Looks like Bandit is causing some trouble here. Meanwhile, Rascal and Dash are still looking for food in the water. I don't have any more grapes. Roxy ate them all. Looks like Roxy is itching for more grapes. Bandit, leave Roxy alone, you little troublemaker. They were extremely thirsty too. I took 2 bottles of water and I had to give it to them. I felt bad, but other people gave them water too. One was even licking my butt because the ice in my bag had melted and it was dripping. I love their tiny little hands. They can just grab anything, like little tiny human hands. You gotta give them credit for their determination. Oops, sorry buddy, no more water. Look at this one's tiny little hands to eat the mandarins. Although it seems like they would eat anything, they were a bit picky that day with their food. They wouldn't eat the carrots that I brought, and if the food touched the ground at any point, they wouldn't eat it with any sand on it. Maybe they were picky about their human feeders too. Despite being isolated on a small island, they've adapted well to human presence. Maybe it's not the best idea to keep coming here and feeding them, as it may cause harm to the ecosystem. But maybe the humans can become part of the ecosystem as well. Looks like they've had enough of me today, and now it's time for them to go. As I left the island and made my way back to the mainland, I thought about my first ever encounter with a raccoon when I was about 7 or 8. I tried to pet one in a beach park and it bit me. I had to go to the hospital for rabies shots, one a day for the whole week, and even then they are still one of my favorite animals today. Just remember, we should always treat them with respect and maybe try not to pet them.